Next, remove the dashboard trim panel and then remove the air conditioning panel. And unplug the cables at the back of the panel. Now remove the screws that hold the cover in place and pry open the side panel with the tool. Then remove the decorative panel. After that, remove the air conditioner vent and unplug the cables. And take out the two bottom screws holding the radio in place. After taking out the radio, unplug all the cables at the back. Now let's connect all car cables to our radio cables one by one. And reinstall the air conditioner vent. Here, replace the old panel's clip onto the new panel. Now, with a firm grip, secure the new screen in place, ensuring it's perfectly aligned and firmly attached. Now, install the air conditioner unit, decorative panel, and air conditioner button panel back in place. Follow the installation guide and plug the cables into the back of the head unit. Once you've snapped the screen into place, you're good to go.